Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on AIXCoder. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in AIXCoder.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AIXCoder website. If your interface is not showing up in English, click on the English button at the top right corner. And now you will see the login button. Click on the login button and you will be asked whether you want to log in using your OTP or your password. You can enter your phone number or your email address and then click on the get button and you will get the verification code within your phone number or your email address. You can simply type it in and then click on the login/sign up button, or you can go ahead and click on password login and then enter your phone number or your email address as well. Then type in your account password and then click on the login button. Once you click on login, you will automatically be logged into your existing account on AIXCoder and you can start using it right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on AIXCoder. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.